Alright guys, we're checking out this flex clamp power hub. So what this is going to do is be for these kind of power strips. And it's going to connect to your, or it's going to kind of clamp to your desk and provide a nice convenient place for your power strips. And I'm going to show you on the desk in there, but I'm just first going to pull this thing out, kind of show you a close-up of it and how it works. So you can see this is the clamp here, and the way to adjust this is just turning this guy right here. So this way is going to open it up more. This way is going to close it more, and once you get it down onto the table, you're going to close it just like that, and it's not going to be able to move anymore. So it'll be nice and tight, and you're also going to have your two wire keepers there, cable keepers, to kind of keep all the cables that you're sending to the power strip nice and organized. So let's go in. I'm going to be putting this on my wife's table in the living room, so let's go in there. Okay, so just for demonstration purposes, I'm probably going to end up putting it up against the wall, but I want you guys to be able to see at an angle, actually. So it's going to get real tight there. And that's super tight. It's not going to go anywhere. And it angles any direction that you want. So I can put my power strip, I'm going to insert it in here just like this. See, that's going to clamp on there. I can send that back here. And something that she would use this for, get my power cable here for my phone. So I'll just plug up, my power receptacle there. I have a nice convenient place to charge my phone. You can obviously see if I had this cable and I was trying to plug it up down on the wall somewhere, probably wouldn't reach, or if it did reach, it'd be very tight. And now you have a nice convenient place to plug up all your stuff. I have on my desk a mug warmer and a different power strip and a place to charge my phone and a wireless pad. All that stuff would be, it's so nice to have this convenient power strip here that can turn any way you want it to, up, down, all that. So if you need something like this, it's not going to move anywhere, super simple to use and super convenient, that is this power strip clamp. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.